Hello everyone. Welcome to video 2 of my base scripting tutorial. My name is Akash Patel, and in this video I will walk you through some real world base scripting challenges. In video 1 we learned the basic of base, how to create scripts and use variables, take inputs and run basic logic. And now it's time to put those skills into action with practical examples that are useful in daily Linux tasks. Let's begin. So let's start with the hello world and date scripts. So these scripts print a greeting and shows the current date. So let's get started. I will show you by doing some practicals. So let's start with make first hello.sh first script. Oh, sorry. Start with Pico hello.sh. This Pico is a text editor. You can use the Nano also. It's also the text editor, and it's created. Now, first line hashtag is in this and this. Let's start our first code. Echo hello world and echo today's date. Let's see. I will show you what's today's dates by using the date function and call these functions by dollar and just control plus O for save and control plus X for quitting. So the first line is the cbang, which is tells the computer to use base. Okay, so the echo command prints text and $date runs the date command and print the current system date and time. I will show you. So we have what we have to do first. We have to do chmod, give the permission to my file so that hello dot sh, and you can see hello world and today's date is 4th of July. This is time and 2025 year. So this script is useful to check that base scripting is working properly and to print log timestamps for script. Let's move to the next slides. So next slides is user defined variables and reading input. This script asks the users a question and store the response. So I will show you why. So let's make the new file. What we give the name first, variables dot sh. So echo dot sh, and let's start with the first line. Echo what's your favorite favorite programming language? First question I asked, and let's read language. And echo Let's call this command. Nice. I also like and just call that variable, and let's save the file, exit, and first give the permission and print the execute over files. And you can see it's ask you what's your favorite language. So I said Python, and nice. I also like the Python. So how you can use these user-defined variables. So when you run it, it asks a question, the read command, wait for your input and save it in the variable language. Then the script prints it back to you. Okay, this is great to personalize quizzes or any scripts with input is required from the users. Let's see the next slides. Using command line argument. So this scripts print value given when you run it. Okay, next up, accept argument from the command line. Okay, let's see. I will do by okay. So over this file, I will give you the name arguments.sh. So let's start with this bin, then is echo welcome $1. This is our first command. Then second one, you are learning, and our second. Okay, so I already passed two arguments, and I sorry, I have to give the sorry, I will give the two arguments in my output. So let's see, let's save the file and let's exit and just first give the permission chmod arguments dot sh, give the permission and this. Yeah, this not showing anything because I'm not giving any arguments. So I'm showing you that if you don't give any arguments, it's nothing. It's showing in your output. So if you want, just give two arguments. So welcome, FRIEAT, welcome friends. And second one, I'm giving the you are learning the base, and you can see. So welcome friends, and you are learning phase. Okay. So this $1 is the first argument and $2 is the second. This allows us to reuse the scripts by giving them different inputs each time. Let's move to the next slides. array. So let's now talk about the array which are super useful in base. So let to understand how they will. Okay, first here's how to define and use a basic array. So I will show you by doing the practical. So I make one file array.sh, one script file, and just make first stack I bin is, and let's start fruit. Fruits is equal to, and just name all the apple, first fruit name, second one banana, and third one mango, my favorite. Okay, and let's call any one fruit. So I'm writing the code second fruit, and then dollar fruit fruits and one, and go. If you want to print all fruits, so just type these all fruits, then dollar fruits, this, and at the rate for all. If you want to print all the fruits, just type the at the rate. So at the rate, a symbol is a key. It's tells the base to treat each item in the tray individually. Then this taller fruit one gives us banana since array start at 0. Because the array start with the 0, that's why it's showing like banana. And at the rate return all the uh, items in the array. So I will show you by doing the output, save and exit, and just first give the permission array.sh and print this, and you can see because I put the first, that's why it shows the banana because array start with the 0. If I put the instead of the first, so if I put the 0 instead of 1, so it's showing like apple. If I put the 3 instead of 1, so it's showing like mango. You can see I will show you 3 and save and exit and just then now something went wrong. Oh, yeah, I have to put if I will show right. If you put 3, there is nothing in fourth, so that's why it's not showing anything. If I put 2, you can see, yeah, now it's come with the mango. So how you can use this uh, array Let's move to the next slides. Array interactions. Now let's see how to loop through all time in the array using a for loop. So let's start. Pico. I mean in this array.sh and just remove this stuff. No, I'm doing in this for fruit fruit and dollar fruits at the rate to echo call the fruit by using the dollar sign and done. And I will show you by doing the output what happened if I execute this file. You can see, oh sorry, I made a mistake. If you don't give the space, it's always be showing error. Save the file and exit. Let's move to the next slides. So basic math, string operation. So now we make this math.sh file. Yes. Now I am doing some sums. So first one I put a is equal to 10 equal to 4 sum dollar is a plus b equal the sum is, and let's call the sum, and now save the file and and just give the chmod permission and now run this file and show some maths of operation. You can see the sum is 40. So this does basic arithmetic by using this dollar, then this command. Okay, now we are using this. Now now string we can see the string example. I will show you some string example. Let's open this our math folder. Just say the word is equal to base script echo, yes, first four letter, then dollar. By using this command, you can slice this whole string into four words. Okay, and now save the file, close this file, now run the file, and you can see it's come with only four. Our main four word is this base script, and you can see the output. It's just a base. So this prints the first four character of the string. This technique help when renaming file, counting, or handling text data. Let's move to the next slide. Next slide is if, elif, else decision block. So decide what to do based on input value. Okay, so let's start. I will show you by doing practical. Let's make some. Okay, okay. I am making this. Sorry. Okay, this is under. So put some start. Enter a number. Read number. If let's say like some greater than and less than stuff. Okay, so calling the number, if calling number is greater than 0, that's why I'm using the GT for greater than. So then so print echo positive elif dollar number less than, that's why I'm using the LT 0, then negative, print negative. Okay, else echo 0. If none of these, then it's print the 0. Okay, so let's save the file, exit, and let's see. We have to give first permission and let's run the file and enter the number. If I enter the number 10, it swings the positive. Let's see if I enter number the -2, so it's the negative, right? And if I enter the number 0, it's 0. So how you can use this if else statement by using this if else you can do like this, like positive and negative number greater than or less than. So we use this GT, LT, and EQ for the greater than, less than. GT stand for greater than, LT stand for less than, and EQ stand for equal. This script is useful when you want your scripts to behave differently based on user input or value from another command. Let's move to the next slides. So let's is a loop. Add number in array using a loop. So let's do some loop echo. Let's do some practical. Okay, let's input some numbers. I put some number 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, I made array first, then sum is equal to 0. I take two variables, then for loop num in dollar numbers at the rate for all numbers. To sum is equal to dollar call the sum sum plus num and then and echo total sum. Let's call the sum. So this loop adds each number to the sums variable, and let's see how it's working. Let's give this permission. So, okay, and now run this, and you can see. So total number like 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. So total sum is 50. How you can use this loop? This is useful in reports, statistics, or logs, anywhere you are working with the numeric data. Let's move to the next slides. Functions with argument and returns. Create a reusable code blocks. For example, like add. So let's start Mm, let's do it. Example, echo dot sh. Let's make first functions, add functions, and echo dollar first argument $1 plus $2 and see the result. So this is for the user input. Just add, the I pass the two arguments 7 and 3 and let's call them. The result is result dollar and save the file and let's execute this file. Example, and let's run this example and you can see the result. So result is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. So these functions return the sum of two number passed as argument. Functions keep your script clean and modular so you don't repeat the code. So let's move to the next slide. So this is the bonus to do tracker scripts. So let's make this to do tracker to do.sh. We go and let's make some echo. Then let's finish with the small real world tools, a simple to do list trackers. So first enter a new task, then read task, then echo dollar task, create a to do.txt, echo this and get to do.txt. Okay, so let's do plus o, do plus x, and give the permission to do.sh. And now run this file. Okay, so enter the task. So first task, I want to plain cricket coding. Then your to-do task is coding. You can see. So it, it asks you to for the task and save it in a file called todo.txt. You can see here todo.txt. Then print your entire list and it's print the entire list. So like if you write this long and long coding play lunch, all the stuffs. This is your, you can write anything to do in the to-do list by repeating and code, not putting. I want to add the shopping. You can see here, it's everything is saved in this to-do txt file. Let's open this txt file. You can see here, it's everything is saved in this. So this is perfect example for of how pace can help organize your day or support your projects, right? So that's it. So let's review that we did in this video. So printed a greeting and current date, used a variable and took user input, handled command line arguments, built and looped through arrays, performed math and string operations, used decision making with if else, summed elements using loop, create and used functions, built a useful tool, a to-do list tracker, all using real Linux tutorial commands and base scripting. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these examples help you build confidence and creative in your own scripts. I am Akash and happy scripting and see you in next video. I really appreciate you are taking a time to watch this tutorial. I hope it helped you understand the base scripting more clearly and give you the confidence to try it yourself. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, just leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. President by Akash Patel and instructor Dr. Govindaswamy, and big thanks to him to learn all these things and encourage me to do these videos and all these stuff. Thank you so much, Dr. Govindaswamy. And that's it. See you in the next series.